What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin, currently up 10% on the day, all the way up at 24K. We're seeing a market cap of 454 billion, 24-hour volume 43.02 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So we've broken out, and potentially we could be putting in a wave 3 that could take you all the way up to about 30K. As if we take a measurement from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top to the bottom of wave 2. Your wave 3 target's all the way up at 29.3K. So we've already started to break out. So potentially what we could be looking at here is a little bit of a 1, 2, potential wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. If we were to see a deep enough retracement, let's say we were to see some pullback here, and we pulled at least back to the 0.382. I'm going to take this Fibonacci out because this is complete. The 382 at about 22.6K, then potentially could look at a wave 2 pullback and see continuation, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, complete the larger wave 3 within the wave 3. All right, guys. So potentially that's what I'm looking at here. We have a wave 1, wave 2. This is your wave 3. Got a wave 4 pullback, potential wave 5, completing a wave 1. Now these smaller subwaves can be harder to count here. But that's what I'm looking at. So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, complete the wave 3. That would take you up to about 29.5K. See the wave 4 pullback, see the final wave 5 to complete that larger wave 3 here in white, where we've come up in a wave 1. Let me put it on the 4-hour time frame. Right here we've come up in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, looking for that wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave 3 in green, which is the largest wave count, where this is your wave 1, your wave 2 pullback. All of this right here was a wave 3. Looking for a wave 4 and a wave 5 to complete the larger wave 1, which would signify a reversal in the trend if we can complete that 5-wave structure. All right, guys. But in the short term, what we want to see here is we break the wave 1 high at about 24.3K. That would be bullish confirmation that we are going to see that continuation to the upside. The bearish scenario is that we create a double top here, where we come down, we've come back up, we create a double top, we roll over, and we break down from this pattern, we come all the way back down to 17K. It is a possibility, but to invalidate that, all we have to do is come up and break about 24.2K, break this previous high. That's when we can see that continuation all the way up to 26K and quite possibly beyond here for BTC. Now, potentially the other wave count I've been watching here is that we're going through a wave 4 correction. The only way to invalidate that is for us to come all the way up to the golden ratio at about 33K. If that does happen, that would be more confirmation that this truly is the bottom, but I don't think it's a likely scenario. I think it's more likely we put in a wave 4 that could take you all the way up to about 29.4K. The bulls get really, really excited. The whales take advantage, and we see one more wave down. But it's just my opinion. Anything can happen in the crypto space. All right, guys, that's basically it for this one. Just watch for a potential double top. The way to break that is come up and break about 24.2K, and then that would give us more confirmation that we are indeed putting in our wave 3. That would take you all the way up to about 30K for BTC. That's basically it for this one. Just a quick update. We are overbought on the RSI. There is a bearish divergence on the 1 hour. We create a higher high, lower high on the RSI. And the 4-hour time frame, we are starting to trend towards overbought as well, so do keep that in mind. Big shout out to the Discord. Till the end of the month, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Currently making juicy profits on our Matic trade. Recently gave a juicy ethereum signal, a short signal. Recently locked in some juicy gains on Gala Games. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's only $10 a month till the end of the month. You can lock yourself in at $10, and then it's going to be bumped up to $25 a month. All right, guys? And we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And you can sign up through the Patreon link. All right, guys? And I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care. Sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my training. You can check out my full length tutorial. All right, peace.